Why do smart people don't become rich? One of the reasons why smart people are not becoming rich, even after they have high IQ, they are smart, they are intelligent, they did well in their school and colleges, is only one: lack of emotional intelligence. The word emotional intelligence is required to have your financial success and wealth. Unless you are not efficient in your EI, you are not going to do very well in your financial terms. Have you ever thought that I'm working very hard? I work from early morning to late night, but I'm not becoming rich. So these kind of people who are not becoming rich even after that they are working hard is called the people who have the low financial IQ. Do you want to know the signs of the people who have the low financial IQ? So let's start. Sign number 1. They try to get rich very quickly. They want to be rich very quickly. They just move from here to there. They start a business, they get bored very easily and they quit. They cannot wait for a business to establish even for 5 to 6 years. They switch their jobs, they switch their businesses very quickly. So the emotional intelligence factor is lack of patience, and the low financial IQ factor is they don't have the money at all. Sign number 2. They play the safe game. They don't want to be at risk. These kind of people are controlled by the emotional factor of fear. They want to be safe all the time. They often do a job, get the salary, they deposit it in bank account, they pay the taxes and get the return of their investment in the term of interest. So the emotional intelligence factor is fear. They want to play safe, and the low financial IQ factor is they don't have extra income. Sign number 3. They spend on their impulse. The favorite exercise of these kind of people is shopping, 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 shopping. They shop until the money runs out. They spend on their wishes. They spend on their wants instead of their needs. So the emotional intelligence factor is momentary happiness, and the low financial IQ factor is they runs out of money. So check yourself. So sign number 4. They don't own the valuable things. Emotional intelligence factor is they are controlled with the quest of appreciation. They own the things which are not valuable. They spend their money on iPhone, on expensive clothes, and on other things which they can show off to the world, like car, right? They never invest in property. They never invest in bonds and shares in stock market where they can have the high returns. So the emotional factor is need of appreciation, and the low financial IQ factor is they never gain extra money from their money. They are working for money. Money is not working for them. So now you are aware that which are the common 4 signs which a person who is low in financial IQ have. So now you have to check yourself in which category you are. Are you a person who have the low financial IQ? If it is yes, then go and improve your habits. Your money should work for you. You should not work for money, right? I will make another video on emotional intelligence. If you want me to do that, comment in the below section. So thank you. All the best. Be your best version and try to have the high financial IQ with the help of your emotional intelligence. Thank you. Have the best day.